A very good afternoon to all my dear students. Yesterday we had studied about the industrial buying situation. Now, in continuation to that, we need to move further with the topic factors affecting institutional buyers' decision. So, there are four type of factors: environmental factors, organizational factors, interpersonal factors, and the personal factors. Daily, we're going to discuss one factor. Okay, so today we are only discussing about the environmental factors. So, let's start with the factors. Environmental factors are those factors as you have studied in the business environment in your first semester. That environmental factors are those which are beyond our control, right? We cannot have a control over them. So environmental factors include technological, political, sociological, legal. Okay, so the institutional factors of buying decisions are directly or indirectly affected by the environmental factors. These includes economic, technological, political and legal social responsibilities, etc. Okay, so first one is economic factors. Economic means when there are changes in the general economic conditions of market. Okay, which affect the demand or the supply of the consumer products economically. Okay, for example, due to this coronavirus, our economic condition is affecting. This is the economic factors. So it includes the level of demand, economic condition, competition, change in technology, trade cycles, etc. The change in the general economic conditions of a market affects the demand for organizational products, which is related to the demand for the consumer products. So, any change in the economic condition of a country affecting consumer demand is likely to influence the demand for organizational products. Okay. Next one is the technological factors. Technological factors means when we are having the new updation in the market, new technologies in the market, then to learn that we need to adapt those technologies, those softwares we need to work upon. So these are also the factors which are beyond our control. So technological factors such as the development of e-commerce, development of information, development of the internet have brought changes in institutional buying and inventory management, production process, distribution management, etc. How we are online doing our buying purchases, we are providing the after sale services, everything is online, right? That is because of the technological factors. Next is the political and legal factors. Political and legal factors means it includes the rules and regulations of the nation, because of which we are also get affected, right? For example, if we talk about the fast tag which is being updated from now onwards, we need to have the fast tag to cross the toll. So these are the new rules and regulations as prescribed by the government. So, the institutions may be affected by political and legal factors. Every organization has to operate their activities according to the rules and regulations of the nation. So, while buying goods and services, organization should study about the political system, political situation, political ideology, government policies, etc. And the last one is the social responsibility. What is the responsibility of the people towards the society? If we talk about the coronavirus, what is the responsibility of the society? So the responsibility is to stay at home, not going, not moving anywhere. Okay, so the social responsibility also affect the organizational buying behavior. Institutions have to consider the things like protect the environment and meet community needs. We are doing what? We are just protecting our environment so that everybody will be settled down and will be in a ease. They are very much comfortable to get accommodate in their homes so that no problem will occur in the future. While buying goods and services, the organization has to consider about the social well-beings. Okay, so these all the environmental factors we are studied and we have completed today. That's all for students. Thank you.